before bringing in Monday merch or any sort of merch process, it was very manual and scattered. People were just taking things from the office and going to the post office, and there was really no process to it. I'm Stephanie. I'm marketing lead at Metaview. I joined about 4 years ago now as our first full-time marketing hire, when it was just me on the marketing team and we were a small team of 15 up to around 30 people. We were still doing a very manual, disorganized process. And then as we scaled and became more sophisticated in our operations, we brought in a dedicated events and community lead, Violetta, and she was the one who really consolidated all of our merch efforts under Monday Merch.
Hi, my name is Violetta. I'm the events and community lead here at Metaview. When I came into Metaview was scaling really fast, and we needed to find a solution to streamline our merch operations that would save us time. Monday Merch did that in various ways. They support global shipping, warehousing, and so it's been amazing to be able to have products stocked across different warehouses. The platform is incredibly intuitive. I've been able to delegate all operations, has been game-changing. We've heard very positive feedback from our customers. They text us about the fact that they use our merch, and the team, I think it's their favorite part of joining Metaview. They get a pack filled up with different items, and I think it's like a bit of a cult here. Everyone wears their merch all the time to the office. So yeah, they love it. They have loads of packaging options, from this one to other types of boxes. These are some Tony chocolate only bars, which I love, and then we customize the entire wrapper. Same for the notebook, your non-AI note taker, because note taking is one of the things that we automate for. I think what I enjoy most about working with Monday Merch is they act as a true partner to a scaling company. I feel like it's an extension of my team, and I can just ask them for whatever I need, and they'll adapt as we scale operations.